In this video, I'll share with you how to add Webchat to WordPress Astra Pro. The Infographic Steps. Step 1. Go to the Message to You page. Step 2. Copy the code and paste into your web page. Step 3. Replace the page ID. If you want to choose a different language for the subtitles, just click on Setting in the bottom right corner. Then you can choose a different language. If you like our video sharing, please subscribe to Message to You channel. First go to message2you.asia. Then, under Docs on the menu bar. Then select Webchat. After entering the page, copy the entire code. After that, log into your WordPress backend. Then move to Appearance, Astra Options, and then Custom Layouts. Now, we can click the Add New button, and then select Footer. Just type Webchat as name. Then click the Publish button on top of the right panel. Next, click the Enable Code Editor. Delete the contents from the text box and paste the code we copied from previous page. After that, go to the back end of Message to You and copy the page ID, which is the group of numbers at the end of the URL. Then, let's come back to the WordPress backend. Replace the page ID in the program code. Remember, there must be a space in front of the number. After that, go to the Display On option. Change it to Entire Website. In the User Roles option, change it to All. Then update the website now. After return to your website home page, you will see Webchat in the bottom right corner of the screen. Okay, we'll see you in the next video.